Nightfox Swift is a rechargeable digital night vision device designed mainly for head mounts and helmets using a GoPro mounting system. It has 1x optical zoom, 2x digital zoom and a nighttime range of 70 meters or 75 yards. In the box you'll find the Nightfox Swift binocular, a manual, a head mount, a neck strap, a micro USB cable and a GoPro style mount. So let's get started. To charge the battery, open the USB cover, plug the provided USB mini cable into the charging port and plug the cable into a USB port. When the Nightfox is charging, you will see a green battery flashing on the LCD screen. To turn on, long press the power button on top of the device until the viewing screen illuminates. Use the IR0 if you're using the Nightfox with an external infrared flashlight. This will allow the Nightfox to pick up infrared light but will keep its IR LED switched off. Press the IR plus button to increase the Nightfox's infrared LED output. A higher number will provide stronger brightness and an increased viewing range. There are 7 power levels. Press the IR minus button to decrease. The Swift has a manual focus camera lens and the picture will be blurred if not focused. To sharpen the image, use the focus wheel at the bottom of the unit. Press the zoom button to zoom in at multiple magnification levels. Once reaching 2 times, keep pressing to go back to 1x zoom. Press this button to change the screen brightness. The Swift will remember your preferred brightness setting when you next use the device. To attach the included head mount, first slide the mount onto the metal rail adapter on top of the Swift. Then screw into place. Align the 2 mounts, then secure using the screw, turning clockwise to tighten. Your goggles are ready to use. If the head mount is too tight, adjust the Velcro straps to make it more comfortable. The Swift can be attached to any helmet using the GoPro mounting system. To attach the included neck strap, ensure the plastic fastener is right side up. Feed the strap from the outside in through the tether points on each side of the device. Create some slack by pulling the strap upwards in the middle of the plastic fastener. This will create a loop. Pull both ends tightly to fix down the strap in the fastener. To turn the device off, long press the power button until you see the goodbye message on the LCD screen.